Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making radish potato recipe. It is very easy recipe, very yummy recipe. Inshallah you will like it. So let's show you how we made this radish potato. I hope you will like it. So first of all, these are the things that we will need for preparing the radish potato recipe, which has potatoes, radish, onion, green chilli, garlic, ginger and green coriander. In a frying pan, we will add 1/4 cup oil. Then we will add 1 teaspoon cumin. Then we will add 2 medium-sized potatoes cube shaped. After frying it for some time, we will add 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Then we will add 1 medium-sized tomato chopped and we will mix it well. Now we will add 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste and we will again mix it well. Then we will add half kg radish sliced and we will cook for 2 minutes. Now we will add 100 gram radish leaves and 100 gram green coriander and we will mix and fry for 2 minutes. Then we will add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Then we will mix it well. Now we will cover it and cook for 2 minutes. You can see water is boiling now. We will stir it. Then in this we will add 2 medium-sized green chillies. We will stir it well. And then we will again cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Now we will garnish it with green coriander. Then we will dish it out. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Our potato radish recipe is ready. If you like our recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. Inshallah we'll meet with you with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.